Now, after 4 years, experts have finally been able to distinguish why our Manuka honey differs from other varieties. John Rawcliffe from the unique Manuka Factor Honey Association. I hope I got that right, John. And Dr. Adrian Charlton join us now. So, John, let's talk to you first from an industry's perspective. The benefits, or what we believe to be the benefits of Manuka honey, that's nothing new. So talk us through what traditionally we've believed about the healing powers. What is the whole excitement about Manuka?
The excitement about Manuka, it is unique. It's got special properties and characteristics. And the excitement that we're releasing this week is that we now know what Manuka is.
Yeah, because you needed to know more, or at least you needed to be able to support the beliefs with robust science.
Yes, we did. And we've had a model of actually using the best scientific evidence we can gather from New Zealand scientific team, and then gone overseas to be able to have that validated.
So Adrian, I guess that's where you come in. What does the research show about Manuka honey?
So what we found is that there are a number of different markers within the honey that identify Manuka to be unique when compared to different types of honey. And that allows us to give confidence to consumers when they're buying a product that's actually very high value compared with normal food-grade honeys.
So is that to say that it's better than other types?
It's different, it's unique, and I think that's a terminology that we use. It contains compounds that other honeys don't, and we can use those to authenticate the product.
And so now you can actually kind of, I guess, with some confidence, put a sticker on it that says this is scientifically proven.
The answer is yes. I mean, every bottle now that says this is Manuka, we can actually prove it. So that really gives to the consumer absolute confidence. We run a quality mark that put all the money in behind this and the research for 4 years. That gives us that level of confidence.
And therefore, for the industry, I mean, this is essential for the industry, is that, you know, you've got to protect the brand.
Well, yes, and protect the brand, protect New Zealand Inc, protect investment. I think over the last 2 years, we've had 45% growth in terms of the plantations and all the rest of it. Now, that's a lot of investment in marginal lands being planted with Manuka. We need to invest, that investment needs to be protected. And this week, we'll be announcing how that's been done.
Because you have had a lot of problems over the years with imitators, haven't you, claiming to be Manuka because it commands a premium?
The answer is yes, and we've been able to solve that problem.
So this will solve that problem?
Well, Adrian?
Yeah, there's been a step change in the science. I think in the past there have been some very simple indicators of what is Manuka honey. It's been very easy to bypass the testing. Now we've got some more robust and actually more complicated answers. It's very difficult for people who are trying to defraud the consumer to bypass the testing regimes.
What is the science? What have you found?
There are different markers that are plant-derived that are unique to the bush that Manuka honey is derived from, and if we can detect these compounds using some fairly intense science and some complicated equipment, then we can very much prove that we've got the right product.
Well, this can only be good for our Manuka honey industry. Thank you for being with us this morning and revealing that new research. John Rawcliffe and Dr. Adrian Charlton.
Yeah, good to see you guys. Now,